Sorry for the slightly late start this morning. It's only 1 minute late though, which is honestly pretty good for something that I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the YouTube comments open and Twitch comment stream open so that we can follow along in case anyone has any questions. This morning I'll be doing a live code review, probably looking at a few different things, and in the afternoon at 2:30 I'll be trying to make a first PR on Apache Beam. Sorry, not Apache Beam, sorry, on Apache Airflow. I was going to do some setup work with Gris on her new laptop for Apache Beam this afternoon, which is why I said that, but her new laptop isn't arriving in time. And once again, I've picked the wrong coffee cup for a live stream, but that's okay. I have coffee, and really that's the most important thing. So there are a few things that we can look at today. We're going to be looking in the Apache Spark project, and normally I go to the Spark PR review dashboard, but there were some specific things that came up, and I'll update what we're working on here. We can certainly go into Python, and this will give us a few things. This is certainly interesting. This is a work in progress PR. This is a PR that we looked at before. It's failing on Jenkins now. That's unfortunate. This is a PR that we also looked at before. This one is a PR that's new. I'm not really sure about this PR, so I think it's going to be really useful to take some time to do a deep look at that. So I think that's going to be where we start off. So we're going to go ahead and close Restream, because it seems to be working just fine, and we're gonna mention that that's the PR we're working on. Okay, I'm gonna increase the text size a little bit so that y'all can see, but also so that I can see, because I'm not super awake this morning. So let's start with reading the description. So this adds a Spark Executor PySpark memory limit to configure Python address space. Resource R limit as limiting Python's address space allows Python to participate in memory management. In practice, we see fewer cases of Python taking too much memory because it doesn't know to run garbage collection. This results in yarn killing fewer containers. This also... Sorry about that. That's my alarm normally to wake up for work. This also improves error messages so that users know Python is consuming too much memory. That sounds lovely. The new PySpark memory setting is used to increase requested yarn container memory instead of sharing overhead memory between Python and off-heap JVM activity. Certainly quite interesting, very exciting. This is a really common problem for PySpark users, and we can actually go ahead and take a look. I'll just PySpark yarn application memory overhead exceeded, yeah. So I mean, this is a thing which comes up, and so it's exciting that we have a potential solution to this. Tested memory limits in our yarn cluster and verified that a memory error is thrown. So 21 hours ago, I was asked if I could take a look as well. Spark QA bot has been chugging along on this. Vuria has a question. Yeah. Okay. That's a question. How is this going to interplay with other things as well? Okay, and Flinko's already taking a look. Cool. This looks really exciting. I'm really excited about this PR. Let's look at the Jira first as well. See if there's any more pieces of detail inside of there that might help us. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Jira. I really don't understand how my two password managers get along / don't get along, but that's fine. Okay, this is certainly start watching this issue. So this more or less has the same description as the description that we saw in the GitHub PR. So probably not where we want to go. Let's go into files changed. Okay, so there's a new config key. PySpark executor memory. Oh, okay. That seems reasonable. This part I'm uncertain of. And that's mostly because I'm not actually sure that's how we're determining the number of Python workers. It's been a while since I actually spent time thinking about how we determine the number of Python workers. I'm not going to actually send this comment, but I'm just going to Holden double check. And I'll come back to this line before we're done. Okay, I mean that looks pretty reasonable. Okay. So okay. Cool. So let's see, like that. This looks fine. It sets an environment variable if it's defined. Converting it to a string, and then presumably we pick it up on the Python side. Func Python function, buffer size, reuse worker as a boolean, PyMemory MB is an option of type long. Sure. And that's a Python runner right there. That's weird. Oh, this is extend-space Python runner. Sure. Okay. Byte unit, create optional. Sure, there's a small note about indentation. Okay, cool. Let's go look in this. Okay. So we get the environment. PySpark executor memory, MVs. Set it to -1. Yeah. It's just, yeah. Okay, so it's actually configured in bytes. That's fine. memory limit MB and total memory limit. Okay. Total memory limit is from resource get R limit. So let's go find this. Okay. So I am confused here. If memory limit MB is greater than 0 and total memory limit is less than 0, why? So the block appears to be the user has requested memory limit and Python does not have a memory limit set. Why would we only set the total? Why would we only if the user has requested a different memory limit than the one set, though, regardless of if there is a current memory limit, would it make sense to set? Or also possible. I've misunderstood. Oh, that's my backup alarm to go to work. As you can see, I do not normally actually start my day at 9 a.m. If it was not for these wonderful live streams. Okay, yeah, sorry. I've misunderstood. The R limit return values here. Cool. Add a review comment. This is exciting though. I'm honestly more excited about this PR than really pretty much anything else that I've merged into Spark pretty recently. Okay. That is curious though. I am oh yeah. That being said, even if that is the behavior we want, should we use check if it's unlimited? I'm pretty sure that's valid Canadian spelling. Am I? This says you. Whatever. Fuck it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, PySpark worker memory. cool. This is pretty exciting. I love this. Required executor memory, $sign executor memory. Plus. Yeah, because we could print out the summation, but I don't know if the summation is actually really buying anyone anything. We could just print out the one where we've already summed it. Python worker memory. We're not looking at resource units. Yeah. Input. Oh, okay, this is going down the SQL path. I think we should probably loop Brian Cutler in as well. Let's see, is Brian not here yet? Yeah, no, they're not. Okay, so that's all right. I'm gonna go down here. Because we do fork. This is minor, but this code block is repeated. Would it make sense to factor? This is actually, that's fine. Yeah, same repeated code block. Yeah. This is really exciting. I wish there were tests. Is my biggest takeaway from, well, okay, so there's two big takeaways from this. I wish there were tests, and also to do hold and double check is the thing I need to take a look at. So I'm going to open up probably Python RDD and then Python Runner and some other things and just sort of go through some stuff. I think cool. This is the Go stuff from Beam that we were working on earlier in the week, I think, or last week. I guess it's a Friday. My sense of time is all fucked up. Python RDD dot Scala. Okay. I want to see where we're deciding the number of cores. Cores, that's not used inside of here. Yeah. Okay. Python runner dot Scala. What? Python runner Scala inside of deploy. This looks like the Python runner. Okay, let's go back to Python rdt.scala. So, I mean, that's our compute function. That's whether or not we reuse the worker. So, old Microsoft promotional mug. I just want to make sure that this part's correct, because like this PR is really exciting, and I really like us to get this part accurate, because that, you know, would make a big difference. And it's probably correct. I'm just, you know, have this habit of like not quite remembering and then having to go down a rabbit hole. Let's try here. I mean, this is a long shot. Grep-r, ri python --core src grep-i core. Fuck, cores. Not coming up. Okay. Grep-ri cores, core src, grep-i python. It's not an obvious configuration where that's what we're doing. Okay, so what the fuck are we doing with our cores configuration? Maybe that will make more sense. It's probably inside of, maybe inside of worker.scala. Yeah, okay, let's go look at worker.scala. Nope, worker.scala. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so we just start a Spark worker on each core. This is like really, I'm not actually sure that this logic then is making sense, because we're launching multiple worker processes, but each worker process is going to be running the individual compute function. This isn't, I'm not, like, so the division makes sense, but the why the reuse worker would get the whole allocation makes less sense to me. And that's the part which I guess we need to figure out. Yeah, okay. Let's go dig into the worker reuse, because I think I've definitely refreshed my memory on how we handle the number of cores here. But the worker reuse, like the implication of this part of the PR is that in worker reuse, which is the default configuration, that we only have like one parent worker process. Does that make sense? I mean, I guess the other way that I could do this is I could just like connect to one of my clusters. That might actually be faster. But I want to dig through the code, and then once we've done that, I'll connect to one of my clusters. We'll double check with my understanding of how the code works with how like some actual processes are running, and we'll roll from there. So that's the compute function. This is where we're making a Python runner. We're going to go into our Python runner. Scala. We want the one in deploy, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Yeah. Wait, is this the right one? No, this is the... because we can launch Python in multiple places, and this is the one that uses Py3, and so that's the one on the sort of driver program, and so we want the one inside of Python then. Python runner .scala Python. Cool. Yeah, and so this is the one where we evaluate our actual functions. So let's go dig into reuse. So if reuse worker is true, call compute, we put that mvar on our context. Yeah. Release worker. Yeah. So let's go grab under the Python code, reuse Python PySpark. Daemon.py. Okay, let's go dig into daemon.py. Okay, yeah. 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 So this just says, yeah, okay, so this does the fork. Okay. Spark reuse worker, initialization complete. We launch a worker process. Acknowledge that the fork was successful. And then we go back. And so this is a so initialization complete. Yeah, set process group. Set socket. Yeah. Oh, why do we drop authenticated down to false? Oh, yeah, okay, that's why. While true, code worker sock authenticated. If code 0, yeah. Okay. So that's the part where I'm just not... let's go here. So, it's been a while. Okay, actually, yeah, let's go here. Is cores in here? No. Yeah. There. I spent a lot of time thinking about how we launch our Python worker processes. Maybe it would make sense to add a comment here explaining the logic a bit more, especially in the case of reuse. Because like resource limits Python resource limits fork. Here. No, that's not quite what I want. Yeah, especially in the reuse case. Okay, so let's say that reuse is set to true. We're going to come in here. We're going to go into our normal listening loop, fork off children processes. The number of children processes we fork off is going to be de facto limited to the number of compute threads that are called, but I don't see. Let's go find env. Control-T, Spark env, Scala, Python. Okay, Python worker factory. Cool. Let's go find our Python worker factory. Okay, yeah, this is where all of the magic logic went to go live. Yeah. Okay. Python worker factory. Oh. Yeah, okay. Daemon is set to true by default. Yeah. 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 A bit more. Yeah. Based on the documentation in Python worker factory, it appears we do this fork, not fork decision, not based on if reuse worker is set, but instead on if we're in Windows or not. Is that the logic that this block was attempting to handle? And review comment. I think that's. I'm gonna keep going through this and double check that I'm not missing something super out there, but I'm pretty sure that's what I wanted. Yeah, we have a socket to process. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I think that was just it. So let's go ahead and start. thank you. So let's start. Thank you so much for this PR. It's really exciting to see a possible solution for one of the largest long-lasting problems in PySpark. I have a few questions for clarification, and I really love to see the test suite, even if it's not something for Jenkins usage, included somehow, so that it can be part of the release verification. I know we've made some good progress on having integration tests in K8s, so maybe we could have some integration testing there eventually. Let's see. Also love Brian Cutler feedback on anything narrow. I don't think this would impact it, but I am curious if our limits are going to curious how our limits interplay with native allocations. I'll do some yeah. So this, I'm honestly super excited about this PR. It's really sad no one else showed up this morning, but that's okay, because this PR is seriously the most exciting thing I've seen. Like the PySpark on Kubernetes thing, really exciting, but fixing this bug, even more exciting, because then that's like so many less emails that I have to ignore. Okay. Cool. I think that's legit. Also, yeah, okay. This is only a first pass, with less than a full cup of coffee in me. So, I'll come back and do a more thorough read through. But once again, really, really excited to see this, and hoping we can find a way to get this in for Spark 2.4. Like this is, I'm so excited here, honestly. Oh my god. Oh my god. I kind of want to go tweet this PR. This is so exciting. Yeah. So very exciting. Okay. That being said, we've got 20 minutes. That's probably not enough time to take on another big PR. But that's probably enough time to take on like maybe one of the updated PRs. So let's go through the other ones I opened and see whatever. Let's press that button. It doesn't mean anything, but it's not bad to do. Let's see where this one was left off the other day. Okay, integration test failed. Yeah, okay. Is that true? Do we have camel case everywhere? I mean, we probably do. And we haven't released a version Oh wait, no, fuck, we did, didn't we? Oof. So this would be a change for existing user. Oh wait, no, we didn't release it. We have the KAS integration, but we didn't have the Python integration in the public KAS integration, so that's fine. Okay. It's just an ACK. Okay, cool. Let's go down. Actually, I'm going to edit this. We might want to make that small. Change in a separate PR just so that if this slips and doesn't make the cut to 4, we aren't trying to change a config string later. Because changing config strings is really painful. So that's just a suggestion that we might just want to factor that out. Cool. Resolve undefined names in Python 3. It's legit. Let's go see where we're at. Boop. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Was this thing merged? Yeah. Okay, cool. What was this one? Okay, yeah, that's the one. I mean, this is approved. Comments, please, on test slice and the test results. Okay, cool. Well, I was explicitly looped into this, but it's not fucking working. It looks like that. Damn it. That's not good. And possibly my fault. So it's a good one for us to be able to dig into. So this is the second PR that we're going to review today. Cool. Oh god. I need more coffee. I always need more coffee. After coffee, I'm gonna go and have a bath. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, actually, so my wife was down in Disneyland, and ended up going to another place besides Disneyland, and she brought me back a stuffed animal. It's really sweet. Snoopy. I mostly see Snoopy when I go to Japan, so I've decided that Snoopy is Japanese. But I also have a new stuffed animal. Boo's upstairs, still sleeping, but Snoopy's down here drinking some coffee with me. Okay. Sorry. Let's jump into this. Damn it. It's failing PySpark unit tests. That's frustrating. Let's go take a look. 110 failures. Shit, goddamn. Well, I guess I probably shouldn't swear quite as much, but whatevs. 108 tests failed. That is almost certainly not related to this. Cool. Yeah, these test failures are like all in Java land, I think, right? Fails Spark unit tests. Yeah, okay. So this is failing Spark unit tests, not PySpark. So my guess is the failures are unrelated. Jenkins, retest this, please. I should have taken a look at this PR first, but honestly, I didn't know. It's kind of just a gamble as to what's in the state, and I'm really glad we got a chance to look at that exciting PR together. But that being said, let's go and dig through the code, and maybe we can give this conditional LGTM. Cool. Do Okay. Yeah, cool. Yeah. This is, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead. +1, these two, it's more or less like, yeah, there might be a better way to do it, but for now, let's just do it this way. Because it replicates the existing behavior, but it doesn't depend on deprecated stuff. Cool. Yeah. This sounds good. Cool. I like getting rid of shit. Cool. Yeah. I mean, oh god, I hate tests involving date time. Please remove this comment. Okay, yeah, I mean, honestly, you know, if we had a lot of time, we'd hang around, wait for Jenkins to finish testing this. We don't. I mean, it looks pretty reasonable. I do want to make sure that those test failures were spurious. So let's wait for the Jenkins rerun. Cool. That sounds good. Okay, cool. Yeah, with that, I think this is a good point to probably wrap it up. I meant to do my intro slides this morning, but they started, oh, this is the wrong account. I go with that because I'm too used to that. So I'll do my intro at the end, and that's okay. Conferences or something like this. Can be outro slides maybe instead. 2018. Okay, yeah. So, I mean, this morning we had Snoopy rather than Boo because Boo needed some sleep. Today we did reviewing Spark PRs, PySpark memory fix, and what was the other PR that we reviewed? Something. Oh yeah, and Py3. Py3 cleanup. I'm Holden. My preferred pronouns are she or her. I'm a developer advocate at Google. I'm on the Spark PMC. I contribute to Beam and other projects. I've worked at a bunch of other places. I've written 2 books. I got, well, actually 3, but I got a much better royalty deal on High Performance Spark. You should definitely buy many, many copies of that book. You can follow me on Twitter, SlideShare, the Code Review livestream, which is this. You can watch on Twitch or YouTube. I have a bunch of talk videos, and I have a place where you can leave me talk feedback. You can also leave live stream feedback there too, if you want. In addition to who I am professionally, I'm trans, queer, Canadian, and part of the leather community. Boo isn't with us this morning, so we'll skip her normal slide. This afternoon, I will be talking about... I will be trying to make my first PR into Apache Arrow. That will be at 2:30 p.m. Pacific time, and I hope to see you all there. I think it'll be a lot of fun. It'll also probably have a little bit of a, like, I don't know what's going on vibe to it, because it's been a really, really long time since I looked at the Arrow project. But the Arrow people seem super nice and super fun, so hopefully we can find a nice starter issue together to work on. And I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else. I'll switch this to not Arrow. Not Arrow. Airflow first PR. Yeah, so the thing this afternoon is Apache Airflow, not Apache Arrow. I just work on way too many similarly named projects that do slightly different things. Arrow is a really cool serialization format, and Airflow is a really cool job and graph thing. Okay, so that's probably it. The Jenkins runs normally take like an hour or so, so I'll probably just end up coming back to this PR, you know, sort of after lunch before the Airflow thing, and if it's good, I'll just merge it, and it'll be great. I really hope we can get this PySpark fix in. Have a lovely day, everyone.